Morning guys. So if you're like me and you have kind of like sort of short or thin pathetic looking lashes and you're always trying to get them to be a lot more poppy, I've tried like a million mascaras and they're fine. I just do 2, 3, 4 coats and it beefs them up a lot. But a lot of people use false eyelashes. Now my friend gave me this box. Oh, the mirror's broken. They're magnetic top and bottom, right? So you get this thing that looks like a eyelash curler, but it's not. And then you get 2 sets of lashes in there. I'm gonna try these and see how I get on. This is what they look like up close. Got these little magnets on the ends. Excuse my nail varnish, I am redoing it today. So it looks like this side, the one with the longer lashes, that goes on the outside, right? There's 0 instructions with this kit. So the narrow piece goes underneath, the thicker piece goes on the top. You line up the magnets, so the one for the bottom, the lash for the bottom, goes on this bottom one. I don't know if I'm making much sense here because it's actually quite confusing. And then this piece that goes on the top, now, I got it. And then you put it on the top underneath this, right? So that the lash goes that way. So both your lashes are sticking out. Otherwise, you're going to end up with them poking in your eyes. And then line them up on this thing so the magnets reach the edge of the applicator. That's a good word, applicator. All right, so here goes. I might use this little mirror, maybe that will help. So I'm kind of scared. I'm just gonna go for it and see if I can make it work. So I'm placing it under my eye with my eye open, looking straight ahead, closing my eye, pulling the top one down. Nope. All right, let's try that again. I lost the lash, I just dropped it. Oh, I have no idea where that went. So I'm going to abandon that one and use another one. It's not a very good how-to when the person doing the demonstration doesn't know how to do it. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna open my eye, close my eye, wait, what happened? All it did was stick the 2 lashes together. It didn't actually go on my eye. I think this has to rest against my eyelid and I'm kind of a bit nervous about that. And I don't know why, because I use eyelash colours every single day. So, okay, 3rd time lucky. Until you have that epiphany of, okay, I know how to do it now, it's going to take a really long time. All right, let me try this again. Okay, so maybe I've got that at the wrong angle. Maybe it needs to go more of a right angle. God damn. I can't do it. It just keeps sticking the lashes together. Why is it doing that? Maybe this thing is not helpful. Although God knows how you do it without this thing. Because you've got to like try and put this on and then put this on underneath at the same time. And I know people do it without the applicator. I've seen loads of videos, but they put them on right away and I just can't do it. This is like impossible. All right, hang on. So I'm resting the top one on the lash. This would be a miracle if this actually works. It actually did work a lot better, but I had the bottom one upside down. Ay, caramba. Let's see. Give me a second. Okay, so far, not a fan. Long pieces at the corners, both lashes curling upwards. Maybe what you have to do is start. So I'm gonna like put that on the inside corner and put, no. Okay, nearly. This is literally the worst. Son of a bitch. Just wondering if my eyelash colours will actually help with this. Let's just try this because all else is failing. The hardest thing ever. Underneath. Okay, maybe. Is this gonna work? All right, so I have them on the eyelash curler. Son of a bee hatch. It's not working. Still on there though. Okay, literally the worst how-to video ever. I told you I would try things out and without practicing. Here we are. 3 hours later, we might get them on. This is like literally, this is the hardest thing. I might just have to like give up with this bullshit. OMG, OM. Just behave, you stupid thing. Let's give it a try. I'm losing my patience with this. If this is supposed to be quicker than just doing mascara, then it's BS because it's clearly not quicker. No, okay, screw this. This is a stupid system. Maybe I need to watch some tutorials myself because this is fucking stupid. It's all I can say. Like, stupid idea. Oh, fucking hell. Am I using the wrong ones? Is that what it is? This goes this way. That's correct. Like, what is the problem? I'm done with this bullshit. Okay, no, one more try. It is literally impossible. Like, it's impossible. Ow, got my lid caught. Ow. I fucking give up. I declare that these magnetic lashes are absolutely useless. I hate them, never gonna use them again. Now I've got this kit, which is the magnetic eyeliner ones. Wow, some really long lashes and two, I'm guessing they're the same, yeah, 2 tubes of magnetic liner and another one of those applicator thingamy jigs. Oh, it comes with a little plastic thing to Okay, so anyway, the plastic thing fell off and now they're like, kind of like how tweezers work. It's gonna go on like that. This really is like a brain teaser. Okay, so I think you get the lash, right? And you hold your thing this way. So you've got your thumb towards you with no lash. And then if you imagine the lash is going on your top lid. So when you put it on, you're gonna see where to place that. So you have to put the lash on like that. Now I'm not very confident since I got the other one so badly wrong. Okay, and then, is there any instructions with this? Wait, what's in here? A gift voucher. Oh, what is that for? Oh, you have to give a review on Amazon. I'm not going to be doing. Shake the bottle before use and seal the bottle every time after use. Performance would be better if eyelashes are placed before the eyeliner's line dries completely. Oh. Bend your magnetic eyelash band to make it softer and give it a perfect fit for your eye shape. It's not the greatest brush in the world. I know, you can get it fairly smooth-ish. Okay, so I'm doing several lines, coats of it. And then it says, don't wait till it's completely dry. I don't know how long it takes to completely dry, so I guess we're just guessing. Okay, so I'm gonna maybe wait. I don't know, I'm gonna try it now. It did actually go on first time. They're too long for me, so I should have trimmed the corner. Right, so you have to go in at a right angle to your eye. Otherwise it's going to be pointing the wrong way, right? So you kind of half close your eye and then you kind of line it up and then just press it on and then press it on. OMG, this is so much easier than them other ones. This is actually really good. How's it feel? I can definitely feel it. It's not crazy comfortable. I need to hold it down at the corners to press it in a little. But you can maybe compare the two. So you got one and one. Ooh, that's quite a nice bushy one. Let's try that one. The only thing I think is that they feel quite bulky, right? Because you've got these magnets on at the base. So I'm just gonna like, oh my God, it goes on so easily. Ooh, look. Oh my God, I love it. Yeah, you see how this one is much fuller than this one. So this is a better lash for me. I definitely like these ones with the magnetic eyeliner and I will be using these again. All right, that's it for today. If you want to leave a comment, let me know how you got on with yours. And I will see you next time. All right, bye.